All right, let's take a look at the solution to question number 2. So we have to find the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x squared minus 4 over 2x to the third plus 16. If you notice, if you plug in negative 2 in first, let's see what happens. We plug in negative 2 in the numerator. We'll have negative 2 raised to the second power minus 4. In the denominator, we'll have 2 times negative 2 to the third plus 16. In the numerator, we'll have 4 minus 4. And then in the denominator, negative 2 to the third is 8 times 2 is 16. So it's going to be negative 16 plus 16. So we're going to have an undefined situation because we have a 0 in the denominator. Okay, so rather than hastily concluding that the limit does not exist, we want to see if we can reduce this expression. Perhaps that discontinuity resulting in an undefined denominator could be removable. All right, so let's go ahead and factor this completely. Start with the numerator. The numerator is x squared minus 4. So that is a difference of squares and can be factored into x plus 2 times x minus 2. In the denominator, we have a sum of cubes, which is 2x to the third plus 16. Now there's a formula for a sum of factoring sum of cubes. Let's go ahead and write down the formula as a to the third plus b to the third. First quantity is the same as the original problem, a plus b times a squared, the next sign is the opposite of that, minus ab, and then the last is always positive, plus b squared. Okay, so in this situation, 16 is not a cube, so we have to carry out an intermediate step first. If you notice, the GCF of these two terms is 2, so we can factor out a 2 from the two quantities. So we factor out a 2, we're going to have 2 times x to the third plus 8. Now this looks much better because this is a cube. Now this is a to the third, and this is b to the third. So we have a plus b, that will be x plus 2. A squared will be x squared minus ab, which is 2x, plus b squared, which is 4. All right? So we have the numerator and the denominator factored out, so we can now go back to the limits. The limit as x approaches negative 2 of x squared minus 4 over 2x to the third plus 16 is equal to the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x minus 2 times x plus 2, the factored form of the numerator as we just carried out in our scratch work above, and then in the denominator, if we factor it, we'll have 2 times x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. All right, what you notice? You notice that x plus 2 cancel out. Let's go ahead and cancel those out. Now, let's plug in negative 2 into our the function that's left behind after taking out the removable discontinuity. Let me just rewrite it so you can see what we have. We have the limit as x approaches negative 2 of x minus 2 divided by 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. So this one we'll find by substitution, okay? So if we do the substitution, in the numerator we'll have negative 2 minus 2. That divided by 2 times negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2 plus 4. In the numerator, we have negative 4 over, see what we have down here, 2. If we work this out, this is positive 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 times 3, that's 12. Okay, so this is negative 4 over 24. And then it reduces into negative 1 over 6. All right, so there goes your final answer. All right, so you can go back to the main test menu to gain access to all the questions. You can go to problem number 3. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep track of your progress in this activity. So thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day.